car. Pick who's going to win. How many of you are picking Hammy the Hog? Wait, he left. Never mind. All right, here we go.
Would have been fun to see Hammy jumping into the pool.
Oh, God, yes. It'd be cool to see Hammy driving around in one of these.
He might have been on the bus for the party bus people.
All right, here we go. They come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's Finley in the lead.
Go Blackhawk.
Adrian looking at second. Kasky in third, tied by Kerner. They're side by side. It's Kasky and Kerner side by side. It's Kerner for third now.
Kerner working his way up there, trying to get to that second spot. Trying to catch that 24, Ryan Finley. And that beautiful Blackhawk machine. 33, can't count out Jordan Kasky. He's working his way and found his way into the top 3 already. Kerner in second. Can Finley hold on to first?
As we're back to single file racing, it's Finley, Kerner, Kasky, Adrian, Amen, Billhorn, and Orseski. As we got a lead challenge here. Here comes Kerner on the inside of Finley. Finley swinging around to hang on to it.
Finley running the high side. Kerner running the low.
And Kerner's back. Kerner looking to the inside again of Finley. What's going to happen? Finley's going to hang on. Oh, Finley got a little high, a little loose. Can Kerner capitalize on it? Here comes Kerner.
Watch out for the 33, Jordan Kasky. He's been creeping his way up there.
Kerner's.
While Finley and Kerner battle, Kasky slowly creeping up in that third spot.
Kerner looking to take the lead. Again, Finley pulls away. Again.
Back and forth, those two will go, and while they do that, here comes the 33 of Jordan Kasky. But Finley still hanging on. Kerner right there. Kasky slowly closing. Hyman in the 4th spot. Adrian in the 5th spot. Orseski is going to try and make a move on the 10 of Mick Billhorn and will get him. But the battle's still out front. Finley, Kerner, Kasky, right all there. Can the Blackhawk in the 24? Can Ryan Finley hang on? Kerner's all over him. Kasky begins to continue to creep up. Finley and Kerner, 3 and 4. Kasky there. A little over the halfway point. Check that, 1 to go. Can Finley and the Blackhawk hang on? Kerner is right there. Kasky giving everything he's got in that 3rd spot. Last turn, can Kerner get him? No, he's not. Finley, Kerner, Kasky, your top 3. Hyman will finish in 4th. Adrian in 5th. And the 10 car of Mick Billhorn along with Doug Orseski will round it off.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you lost your keys, check to see if you got your keys. Check to see if you got your keys. If you don't, go to the pavilion. They might have your keys. But I want to tell you something. We got a special young man out here in the car. This is his first ever in his lifetime feature win at any track, period. The Chicago Blackhawks, Zelensky and Sons Custom Cab at Cirillo's Pizza, Kaufman Truck Sales. Please give a warm Rockford Speedway welcome to an amazing job as he's nervous getting out of his car. It's Ryan Finley! Wow! I know you got to be hot, Ryan. Let's have a little interview. All right. First of all, congratulations. My God, you had so much pressure behind you. And I mean, we're all, is it going to be Karen or is it going to be you? Who's it going to be? Tell us what happened play by play.
I don't know. I was just trying to run my line and try to run from Scott and Chris or Jordan there.
And this is your first ever feature win.
In the midget, yes.
Amazing. Amazing. Do you have any special pit crew or any other sponsors you'd like to thank?
My dad, Chad Zimmerline, Laverne, and Johanna Spencer for letting me drive the car. The Blackhawks, Hermes NVC, Aurelio's Pizza. So.
Well, the minor league affiliate for the Blackhawks, Hammy the Hog, was here too. So I'm sure he, hopefully he's here. He got to see you win. But Scott, Ryan, congratulations. Very well job. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Ryan Finley. Into the stands, or excuse me, into the pits to meet and greet your favorite drivers here at the Rockford Speedway.
John, you're missing it. The Blackhawk, he's going in.
What's going on out there?
We got our first driver that's going for the chip. Oh, look at that.
Ryan Finley said to heck with it and jumped right in the pool. Magical splash.
Give that man $100 for doing that. Wow, that's how you cool off after a hot race in a midget.
Fans, how many of you would like to do what Ryan just did right now? I bet.
Unbelievable. I thought he was going to stay on the floaties for a little while for the next race. He'd have the best seat in the house.
I missed all that action.
Oh.
I was running up the stairs.
Just to get ready for the American short trackers, and you got short-staffed on a quick jump-in. He didn't dive, though. He went from the ladder.
What an amazing race. Wins his first feature and then jumps in a pool. He'll never forget the win at the Rockford Speedway.